Hello to my lovely subscribers and anybody else who's watching this video. My name is Megan and today I am coming at you guys barefaced and very nervous because today we are going to be doing the I Let Google Pick My Makeup challenge. So I know this is not my normal upload day. I normally upload on Mondays and Fridays, so if you're not subscribed to me, please consider subscribing. But NikkiTutorials threw down the gauntlet, and I love a good challenge, and this one looks really fun, so I had to try it out right away. If you guys have not seen this floating around the interwebs yet, it is basically where you put your first and last initial and then the word look into Google Images, and you have to create a makeup look around whatever the first result is. So as you can probably tell from my username and my channel banner, my name is Megan Acuna, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in MA look. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Some people have gotten such cute pictures and then some people have gotten like literally like a pile of dirt. Knowing me, I'm probably gonna get the dirt. All right, MA look. Images. Are you kidding me? It's a vintage Crest toothpaste ad. All right. Well, we're gonna try to do our best with this. I'm already turning red because I'm like all nervous, so I'm like halfway there. What I noticed about it right away is like bright red cheeks. There is some blue writing on the little dental clinic card and lots of like red. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? So, I am about to create a makeup look that I would never ever wear. Woo! God, the things I do for the internet. All right, so I'm gonna start off with some foundation. This is actually just a sample because the boy in the picture is really, really pale, like even paler than I am, which is saying something. So I'm gonna use a foundation that's slightly lighter than my skin tone. This is the Kevin Akon? I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called the Etherealist foundation and it's in the shade 1. Blend that down my neck so we match. Hello! I look like I am dead. Off to a great start. All right, going with our lightest possible theme, I'm gonna take my No Filter Concealer by ColourPop, and what shade is this in? Oh, I forgot this stuff oxidizes. Well, too late now, it is what it is. This is in the shade Light Neutral. I'm just gonna use my tiny little beauty blender, and I think I'm actually gonna bring it up onto my top eyelid because we're either gonna have to do blue or orange for this eye look. How am I looking? I keep thinking that my camera is overexposed, but it's really just cause I'm freaking white. Okay, so this kid has super thin eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do like the bare minimum to my eyebrows, like right in the middle. This is not cute. My god, I look like I looked at middle school. You know, that like over plucking stage that we all had in the early 2000s? In the early 2000s. Am I kidding? I was 6 in the early 2000s. Alright, so that's the bare minimum done to my eyebrows, and I already hate this. It's okay, we're gonna save it. We're gonna somehow make the eyeshadow really cool. I'm actually gonna skip like my bronzer and blush and highlight because I really want to base it on like how dramatic this eye gets. So I'm just applying my Urban Decay eye primer because we want these colors to be nice and vibrant. Alright, what am I feeling here? I'm seeing a lot of orange, a lot of red, and a lot of blue. All right, I'm breaking out the Morphe 35B palette. It's got a lot of colors that I almost never wear in it. We're gonna do like orange and navy, I think. Do I wanna go orange on top and blue on bottom, or blue on top and orange on bottom? I think orange on top, blue on bottom. So I'm gonna start by dipping into this color here, and I'm gonna pack it onto the outer third of my lid and see what we can do with that. Oh my gosh. Okay, right now my eyeballs are orange and have no dimension. So I'm gonna take this red color and use it to deepen the crease just a little bit. I think this may be the first time I've ever used a red eyeshadow. I stand by that decision. Oh my god, what is happening? I cannot stress to you enough how much I do not know what I'm doing right now. All right, well, I don't know what else to put in like the inner corner / middle of the lid other than this color, which is a slightly lighter orange, so it's just gonna look like a little scoop of sherbet. Probably help if I wasn't using the same brush for all of this. But where would be the fun in that? All right, I gotta do something to soften this, and I think I can get away with justifying this based on the fact that the kid's complexion is very like pink toned. I'm gonna use some of this pink shimmer and try to use it to like just soften up the middle a little bit. Okay, that helps. Now it's time for my favorite part, aggressive blending. This is the goofiest video. I feel like everybody who watches all of my like environmental, like sustainability stuff is gonna be like, what happened to you? What's wrong? Who hurt you? It's Nikki. Why you gotta do me like this, Nikki? All right, one eyelid is aggressively blended. And then because it's a toothpaste commercial, I feel like it's only fair to do the inner corner highlight and the brow bone highlight in white. Why am I using a pencil brush for this? No one knows. All right, now for the kicker. We gotta add that blue in there. So I'm gonna take this navy blue color and smoke it into my bottom lash line. Serious middle school vibes. Blue eyeliner on your bottom lashes. Does anybody remember how cool that was at one point? I'm gonna add some sparkly blue on the inside because why not? Well, can't go anywhere but up from here, right? Okay, I'm gonna go put some eyeliner and mascara on and pray that it distracts from this. You know what? I might even use eyelashes. I might be that extra. And your eyeshadow is orange, why not? All right, so my lash glue is still drying, but I think I can definitively say that no, when you're wearing red, orange, pink, and blue eyeshadow, not even false lashes can fix you. I feel like at this point, all I can do is just like lean into it, you know, just like let it happen. So we're going to go on to probably the most obvious part of this picture, like on first glance, which is the red cheeks. And I don't even feel like I have a blush that's bright enough for this. Closest one is this one from Becca. It's called Snapdragon. We're just gonna be so heavy-handed with this. Oh my God. I'm gonna be a literal clown. Dear God, why have I done this? And he's got it like on his nose too. He's like super red. This kid's so pale, I'm not even gonna put on bronzer. I just, for my own sanity, I have to blend it a little bit. Since it is a toothpaste ad, I'm gonna be using my Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the color Pearl because pearly whites, get it? And again, we're just kind of gonna go hog because your whiteys can never be pearly enough. And to finish this off, this kid looks like he bit his lips like aggressively. So I'm gonna use Home Slice by Tarte, but then I'm gonna put some of this Bite lipstick, which is in the color Flambe, which is very like orangey red, on top of it. And this pale, clowny mess that it is our finished look. I let Google do my makeup, and I have to say Google is a very, very terrible makeup artist, and I would not hire him or her ever again. I'll put the picture of the boy here so you can compare and see. Wait. The only thing I have by Crest is their white strips, and I am also noticeably white, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it. I do actually like to make things pretty and do it on a budget in real life when I'm not doing stupid challenge tag videos. So if you guys wanted to subscribe, I'd really, really love that. It would make me super happy. As usual, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.